That's why the timing is like this. It took Larry the Wizard, all right, and Bruno to get my timing at 34 degrees total due to the fact that my distributor's timing is locked. It's welded in. So Lucas and I changed all of these gaskets and the valve cover gasket. And so far so good. It's just that ticking noise. You're on YouTube, man. You on YouTube, man. Yeah, so you hear that ticking, right? That's because of the timing. And that's with this. Huh? Huh? Yeah, YouTube channel. All right. Which one of y'all said it felt like a roller coaster in my car? And the stomach, who caught the stomach ache on the takeoff? Or, that's cool. All right, so that's about it. I just wanted to show the subscribers what's going on with the timing. But the most important thing, I can drive it and it's not leaking antifreeze no more.
How fast it goes now?
It's slower now because of the timing. The timing is not right. It needs to be adjusted. All right, that's it. Y'all take it easy. All right?
Peace.
Yes.
Leave a comment and subscribe and hit the bell.
Yes, thanks.